What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for XRP against the US dollar. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So we're going to look at XRP against the US dollar on the Binance exchange. I was going to look at this on the Coinbase exchange, but it does not have all the data I need to see. So let's take a look at the bullish case first. Actually, we will start with the bearish case first for the technical side of XRP, the price action. You can see that previously price was staying below this downward trend line. As you can see here, price was staying below these two swings. And then obviously price was able to push through it recently. So does that mean we are back testing the trend line for support for higher prices, or can the trend line be adjusted higher, something like this? Either way, we're still broke this one too. You can see that even if we adjust the trend line shallower, price eventually broke through this one as well. So it tells me that we most likely back tested that downward trend line for support, and now we are working our way up. Another bearish sign previously was this measure move target targeting the $1.72 level. This was all one large impulse down. There was a good chance in the future that a similar size leg can develop, and that was targeting the 172 level. This was the first attempt by the bears that failed. This was the second attempt that failed, and you can see that after the failure, the bears look to be giving up for higher prices now. So again, it's a lot more bullish looking than bearish looking. Now I'm going to go over the bullish signs on the chart. The first one is that price had a failed breakout of the range. This is a yellow box known as a range. When price hits one side of a range, it'll generally work its way to the opposite side. When it breaks out, a lot of times it can fail, and that can lead to a breakout on the opposite side. So that's what looks like price is attempting to do. A breakout on one side of the range can lead to a breakout on the opposite side. So that's what price is working its way up for. Price also is above this bullish trend line right here. We have a higher low. Price made a low right over here. This was a higher low, another higher low, and now we just made another higher low. So we have higher lows forming on the chart. Price is also staying above the EMA, which is, a general indicator of an upward trend. So that's a good sign as well. We also have a measure move target at the top side of the range at $2.72 level. So this is all one leg right here. This is the second leg up. That's right at the 272. So overall, XRP against the US dollar is looking a lot more bullish than bearish. After a huge move up higher from about 50 cents to about the high $2 level, price has stabilized at the mid $2 level for about a month and a half now. So that's a good sign. Whenever price makes a large move in either direction and it cannot retrace that much, that means it's a strong trend. So if we do a fib retracement for this, let's take a look at that right now. I believe it's right over here. We can do a fib retracement from the low to the high. Price has only retraced 0.382%. So that means it's a pretty strong trend if the pullback is not as big relative to the move up higher. So again, this is looking more bullish than bearish. Even if we do somehow come back down to the lower side of the range, I would be still expecting higher prices. Bitcoin is not looking as bullish as these altcoins are. So maybe these are leading indicators that maybe Bitcoin drops down first and then sees some sort of rally in the future while these continue to rally higher. But overall, it is looking a lot more bullish than bearish. And if we do a measure move higher, I'll do that on the weekly chart. If we do a measure move higher from this low to the high, and we drag it over to where the next size leg can start, it would be ending right around the $4.33 level, which would take out the prior all-time high back here in January 2018. So overall, XRP against the US dollar looking still bullish. Looks like price is trying to make a new high of this uptrend, a new 52-week high, surpassing the $2.90 level. I think we will get that. EMA is starting to catch up as well. So overall, XRP against US dollar holding up well. So I'm expecting higher prices in the short term and long term. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.